Over the past 30 years, Haven has become the world leader in dual-blade shear cut-off technology. The versatility and durability of these machines is unmatched. In fact, the first dual-blade machine ever built in 1984 is still used in production today. Haven machines stand up to even the toughest environments and produce parts 3 shifts a day, every day. As dual-blade shear tube cutting is a 2-stage process, a mechanical link keeps the horizontal blade clear of the vertical blade. This horizontal cut removes some of the tube's outer material, preventing the downward force of the vertical cut from creating any distortion. Next, the vertical blade parts the tube by entering through the scarf on top and shears the tube clean. This process yields minimal burr and, contrary to saw cutting, leaves no metal chips or filings that must be removed. Offering the lowest cost per cut in the industry, the Haven Dual-Blade Shear Cut-Off is also capable of impressive cycle times. Depending on tube diameter and length, volumes can exceed 4,000 cycles per hour, less than 1 second per cut. The fast and simple changeover allows production of multiple part sizes with minimal downtime. This unmatched speed and accuracy allows companies to win contracts from competitors who cannot meet their challenging needs.